Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, it's Bub here. And this is my 2021 channel recap. Here we can see this is just a standard website, Windows 2000 hotfix. We can go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. CheckRain is now installing the jailbreak and rebooting our iPhone. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the latest leaked build of Windows 10X. And now we have become victim of the Petya ransomware. Everyone wants a safe, stable, and reliable computer to run on a day-to-day basis. Alright, so we're at the desktop. There we go. Find out what's new in Windows 7 Ultimate Item 1, 2, and 3. But hey, we're in the Legacy launcher and everything is looking pretty good. This iPhone 5S does have the first generation of Touch ID. The way that Fedora really looks at using the computer is really different. However, it still has a very nice design that really holds up in 2021. Right, so here we are. We can now choose between Windows 98 and Windows 10. File Explorer looks a little bit different here. Now, just so you know, there are no modifications made to this operating system. Here we see the Apple logo. And now we are booting the macOS 11.0 installer. Now we're really looking like Windows 7. Archive.org has actually archived both the Virtual PC and the Windows XP mode file. We are excited to see that as Windows 10 gets more and more secure, saying Microsoft Confidential, and this identifies itself as a Microsoft pre-release operating system. Hyper-V is really meant to virtualize servers and virtual machines in the background, and if 208 doesn't work, then our limit is 212. And if 208 works, then we can try 204 again. And now the Oculus itself. There's also a notification summary, which shows a set of daily notifications and prioritizes the ones that are most important to you. Exactly 1 week ago at WWDC, macOS 12 Monterey was released to the public. Now we can take a look at the new UI design. A lot of UI elements changed from the Windows 11 leaked build to the actual Windows 11 release. Our desktop itself has the new icon for the recycle bin. If you're on a physical computer, obviously you'd want to save your system files. And here we can see that there are two options. Windows 11, some reason, shows up as Windows 10. A lot of older applications depended on this DOS mode. A drive letter can simply be R, that's fine with me, and NTFS. This is very much like macOS. I'm not sure how we got here, but our start menu, our search, and our task view. Windows 10 is responsive, Windows 8 is responsive. I don't know if I can click into Windows 7. It's nothing like anything we've seen before. Once we were finished with the Galaxy Z Flip setup, that was it. We were now running Android 11 on a new flashed Galaxy Z Flip. But if we go ahead and open something, we can see that our top window is very transparent. About 1.5 GB of memory out of 2. So our biggest constraint right now is definitely memory. So in this case, we're going to be installing Windows 11 Pro. For some reason on this Insider ISO, the new App Store does not come pre-installed. So I'm just going to, let's just go down to 140. Blue screening on 140. This is obviously a great feature for those who know how to take advantage of it. It's a pre-beta 2 build of XP, which was released to testers on January 4th, 2001. And agree to the license terms, which you've obviously already violated. We can see that this is the Windows FX installer. Install Windows 11 Pro, like I said, and keep personal files, but not apps. You can change this however you would like. Whatever you want to do, you can change here. Apps that are updated for Windows 11 kind of trickle down into Windows 10. I hit enter and it is not loading. It is not loading anything. Don't have Wi-Fi, which is expected. However, we do have, it is detecting the Ethernet, so all-in-one tool exclusively for Nexus Lite OS. So to open this machine, all we have to do is not remove a single screw. Just pull this blue tab down and pull. And that was my 2021 on YouTube. We've accomplished so much this year, including 2,000 subscribers and then 3,000 subscribers. We're roughly 150 subscribers away from reaching 4,000, which I hope we can reach in January of 2022. Besides all of that, I would like to thank every single one of you for subscribing and watching my content, as if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be able to do YouTube. I'm extremely grateful for everything we've accomplished this year, and I can't wait to see what's coming in 2022. With that being said, if you're not a subscriber and you liked any of the content you saw in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe, as there is much more of it coming this year. With that being said, I'll see you all in the next one.